today's helpful how-to video is on how to reset the oil light on a Buick LeSabre after you did your oil change. Now we just did a oil change on this Buick LeSabre. You might seen it in previous videos on the channel. You might even know the car personally. I don't know. So first thing you want to do is turn your key to the on position right here. Then we're going to go over here to the gauge cluster and let Bryce demonstrate.
You find the, I passed it, right there.
You find the oil life index, okay?
You hit the reset button for like 5 seconds. Ready?
Hold the button for 5 seconds. Okay, go ahead, Bryce, demonstrate. And F-shocks is going off too. And then we are at 100% now. And that has completed your oil light reset on your Buick LeSabre. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, leave a comment. I enjoy hearing from everyone. Check my channel out for more content. Show your support by smashing that subscribe button. I appreciate it if you do, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.